I greet you all. Today I'm going to update you about Kaizer Chiefs player Du Preez. South Africa is yet to see Kaizer Chiefs players playing on their full potential. They haven't been consistent because of lacking confidence, not knowing they are capable of making it with Kaizer Chiefs. They were criticized, they were playing under heavy pressure and criticism, afraid of taking risk. Du Preez is quality enough to win the golden shoe. He is what many South African players don't have. As a defender, you can't relax when he's on the field. He has pace, good finishing. It is just that they are playing under pressure, so he hasn't been considering some chances. For more football news, kindly subscribe to my channel.